Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Do you have any?
Yes, so you have a steel door and you're trying to replace it. Yeah, we sell steel doors.
Because we had an idiot try to kick it in the other night.
Oh, yeah. It'd be nice to run about 20 amps through that door, wouldn't it?
Do what?
It was a joke. It'd be nice to run about 20 amps through a door like that when they try to kick it in. That'll teach them.
Yeah. Could we do that?
No. Not unless that idiot's cattle.
Oh, okay. That one shucks. Anyway, this is what I've got. I see your name, doors. It's one with a steel frame. This applies to flush doors only, 1 1/4 HR, and the B is in parentheses, 3/4 HR, C in parentheses, 1/2 inch, and 1/3 HR.
Oh, are you reading the information off the label?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't need any of that. I realize how counterintuitive that seems, but that I know what that says. Yes, understood. They all say that is what I'm driving at. So in order to replace the door, we would need the physical size of the door, the width, the height, locations for hardware.
Okay. I have a number here. Does that help any? Or
it's the number that's on that label?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 or 7 digits perhaps. That is the serial, or maybe 8. That's the serial number of the door that ties that label back to that door. Not crucial to know to give a price.
Okay. Do you need that number?
I don't. I don't need it.
Can I get this steel door at Lowe's?
I'm not even sure what you need yet. I would need to know the size of everything. I don't believe Lowe's sells hollow metal doors, if that's what you have.
Uh-huh. Well, I want to go back with this door because it kept them out.
Oh, good. I mean, good for you.
They bent the crap out of it, though.
Well,
they hit it with a sledgehammer and everything.
Good for you. The good guys win for once. I'm happy. What I'd love to also see is a bunch of photographs of it, and feel free to send over a photograph of that label as well. The label tells us very important stuff, but all of those labels say that they'll have a serial number, the name of the lab, they'll have minimum latch throw, what it's rated for, but they all say that. Not all, but almost all say that. It's standard. Okay,
so if you have one and I order it, how soon can I get it?
It would completely depend on what you tell me. If it's a stock door, probably ships out in a couple, 3-4 days. If it's something that has to be made to order, it's probably 3 weeks.
What? 3 or 4 days? Are you kidding me? And you don't know if Lowe's carries these?
I don't work for Lowe's. I don't know what Lowe's sells. I'm in a Lowe's maybe once every 5 years.
Oh, okay. All righty. Let me go measure it and see what do you need.
I need the measurements, the width and the height. I need the hardware locations.
Okay. What, the measurements from the top where the hardware is?
Yes, ma'am. That would be good.
Okay. All righty. All right. Let me go do all the measuring. And I'll call you back.
Excellent. Thank you. My name is Richard.
Okay. Thanks, Richard. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.